welcome back to another video in this translation series. Hope you're having a great time with the translation into professional English. So I'm getting to see a lot of likes and comments and suggestions, even physically with our institute, with our circle, and over the digital media also we are able to get solid responses. Thank you so much for all those who have reached out in form of likes and comments and subscriptions to our channel. So let's see another fact in translation. So we did see, like, from the mother tongue Telugu to English. Like, do you know the easiest language to translate? Any guesses? It is actually the Spanish one. It is easy to translate itself. If a chance gets to me, I would like to suggest you all to have even Spanish translations even. But for now, let's see the Telugu to English translations. So let's see the first sentence here. నాకు ఏం చేయాలో తెలియట్లేదు. I don't know what to do. Or else we can write it in this way: I am clueless about what should be done. So let's see the second sentence. నాకు నా మీద విశ్వాసం ఉంది. I do have confidence on me. Or else I am confident about myself. So that's the thing. న్యూజిలాండ్లో విద్యార్థులు సోమవారం నుంచి శనివారం వరకు తరగతులకు వస్తున్నారు. At Newzen, students attend the classes from Monday to Saturday. If you do know the other version in writing this third sentence, please do let us know over the comment section, and I'll check it and display it in the upcoming videos that we shoot it. So let's see the fourth sentence. నాకు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో సులువైన ప్రశ్నలు వేశారు. I did questioned easy questions in the interview. So let's say the final one. నేను చాలా ఉద్యోగాలకు దరఖాస్తు చేశాను. I applied to a lot of jobs. So in this way we can have a lot of translations, and don't forget to apply the golden rules in translation from any language to any language. And even if you wanted to have own rules for you, you can terminate and formulate those kind of rules. And also make sure that whatever the wordings that you use is simple for you at the first level, and you can go to the advanced level going through. So that's how my suggestions about the translation series. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back with the next video. Bye bye, take care.